Manipur Leingakna security force the cookie jogi miyam na thamkiba charter of demand sing na thaiduna thamliba si achumba wild fangdana bathawong ni haina cookie jo miyam ge apex body oiriba cookie in B Manipur Kim na condemn torakli ngarang Kim ge information secretary Jang Haulun Haukip na fongdorakpada cookie jogi miyam ngasidi achumba wild piu haiduna khongjang sangsili adubu Leingakna sina manadaba meeting thamduna politics tawduna leiriba sida Kim na miyoibage pifam thokpa demand sing pibiu haibani church ki leader ahum hat ki bagi thaudok ta chena ba mi hat pasing asi fawba ngamdri hena sathiri badi cookie jogi miyoi tara mari haus fawba naga sing na fazilaga thamliba sing gi marai bakari oiramgani haibasini fibam masi yamna lurakle amadi yabu ngamloi haus security force sing na mi hat pasing fana ba thibagi mahutta cookie jo na tari mafam sing da thiba humbagi thabak paikhalak libasi angak pa fawi amarom da cookie jogi micham miyam mi paina ba fawrakle security force sing na cookie jogi mafam sing da thiba humbagi thabak leptana chathari adubu ambush tawduna tamthina miyoi sing hat kiba sing di sok tana thamli masi achoba michang mikhai naiba khudong thiba amani loinana cookie jo furup ki ijada madi ngaklauda singna boire mihat pasing khangdok pa ba si state amadi security force ki mathawni mihada siga chumba wild purakada bani loinana mafam khangdana fazin kiba cookie jo gi miyoi sing condition amata yaudana thadorak hangada bani Kadigumba Taliba demand sing asi mapung fana pidrabadi state natraga central security force na cookie jogi mafam sing the military ki thiba humbagi operation khuding makta athing bathamgani Chairak asida chingi mafam sing da cookie jogi nupi sing na security ka operation taunaba lakpa matamda athing ba pibagi thabak hena kansilagani how kiba metara tret ki numidang wairamdagi Kangpokpi district ke Sadar Hills ki mafam sing da cookie jogi nupi sing na ahing nungthil khaidok naraga security force sing na operation taunaba lakpada athing ba thamduna lakli fibam asina cookie jo sing the injustice tawre madinam thaduna thamna bu khonare haiba takli haina phungdoki
The Kuki MP, on behalf of the Kuki Zo people, strongly condemns the relentless combing operation carried out in Kuki Zo areas. We condemn the selective justice that is being carried out under the state and security agencies, which is bringing fear and insecurity, which is instilling fear and insecurity in the life of innocent Kuki civilians. It is right, rather, for the state and the security agencies to investigate, identify, and arrest the culprits of the barbaric killing of the church leaders and to ensure the safety and the immediate and unconditional release of the hostages until these conditions are met. Any unjustified operations, whether by the state or central security forces in Kuki Zo areas, will be met with strong opposition collectively by the leaders of the various civil society organizations and all the Kuki Zo people.